Right, student. So next thing what we're going to learn is we're going to learn how to use a context menu. Now the context menu is something you guys remember when you right click on somewhere. So like even in this here, this is the context menu. So now we have our timer we created earlier. So this one, let's imagine you want to have context menu to be appeared. So but we know how to add menus and all these things, but let's see how we can add a context menu. So we can go over under menus and toolbar. Here's the context menu strip, so I can add it over here, but it won't go over there. It will come like here, but here it will show like the normal menu. So now what I'm going to do is, so I need to imagine what I want to have in this one in the context menu. So let's say I want to have the same things like start button, start, and then the end button, so just stop, and the reset button, reset, reset, and maybe the close button also, close. Right? So now when you add this thing, so the context menu, we need to define which control it's assigned it to. So now the context menu can be assigned into anything, like here we have the Windows form. So if I want it, I can assign that one into Windows form, or I can assign into a text box, or I can assign into button, right? So now here what I want to do is, when somebody click on the Windows form, this context menu should be appear, right? So I can go into properties window of the form, and I need to figure it out where this context menu is here. You can see under behaviors of the Windows form, it's asking what is the context menu strip, and it says none, right? So now it's very simple. What I need to do is I just need to select this one. Right, so then I need to add the code for this my context menu before I'm going to test it. So I can go to start menu. So it's the same. So the timer, you can say timer 1, start. It's the for the right. So same way I need to do for the other ones also. Maybe I'll add the close button, or this place, let me add the stop button, right? So I can say timer 1 dot stop, right? But if I want it, I can add the code which is available in the button, right? So let's say I want to do the whatever the task, reset button, right? So I can say btn reset. I can ask to perform a click, right? So this is the, sometime when you write some more code in the button, you don't want to write the same code again. So you can say when somebody click on tool strip, that menu, a particular menu item, you can ask to perform a click for the button, right? So let's run and see whether this thing is working. Right, so I should be able to right click, start, yes, running, stop, right click, reset. So the perform click will also work in here, right? So it's a really simple task, creating a context menu. So I can assign it to any control, form, button, or anything. I can assign the context menu, right?